Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan and you are watching Fine Gap YouTube channel. And in this video, I am going to teach you how you can create this type of animation inside your Android app. Basically, I have used 4 images like 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will create an animation like this by using these 4 images. I have downloaded these images from flat icon. You can download these type of images from flat icon or from elsewhere where you want. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start, please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. Let's start. So first of all, you can see that I have created a simple Android Studio project, and inside my this folder you can see I have 4 icons. I will double click on it and you can see these icons. The difference between these icons is the battery percentage. I have downloaded these icons from flat icon. You can use the icons according to your own desire. I will copy these icons. Just copy this and open Android Studio and right click on drawable and click on paste. Select the first folder named drawable and press OK button. And I have already named this icon IC_battery_1. So I will not change this. Press OK button and press override. Similarly, you have to place the remaining icons inside your drawable folder. Next, you have to change this selector to animation list, and inside your this tag you have to type for item Android:drawable and give your first icon name at this position. So I will type here IC battery 1, and next it is asking me for duration. So inside Android:duration I will pass 400. It means that this icon will remain for 400 milliseconds to the front of your Android app. Next, I will just copy these items, paste them again and again 4 times and change this drawable from 1 to 2, 3 and 4, and the animation type will be remain same. Next, you have to open activity_main and select an image view and drag and drop this image view at this position and select avatar, press OK button, click on split, and first of all I have to constrain this from top, left, bottom and right. You can constrain this view easily. Just click on horizontally in parent, vertically in parent. Just click on vertically in parent. It will exactly center our this image view at the center of the screen. And next, we have to give an ID to this image view like animation underscore or IV underscore animation. I means image view underscore animation. That's it. And I have to remove this line because currently I did not want to show any icon to my user. Next, open your main activity and inside this type here drawable animation. Sorry, you have to type animation drawable, and next name this battery animation, and inside your own create type here image view IV image view is equal to typecast this find view by id r.id.iv_animation. Next, you have to type here IV image view is equal to set, sorry, not equal to, you have to type here IV image view dot set background resource r.drawable.animation. Basically, this is the file name that we have created in our drawable folder. And at last but not the least, you have to copy your this object and paste this and typecast this and type here IV image view dot get background semicolon. And at last, we just have to type one more line of code, and that code is we have to use this object name and dot show method, but we will call this show method in on window focus has changed. So just press Ctrl O, on window focus changed, and here just type battery animation dot start. That's it. My code is completed. Now I will run my app so you can see it on the emulator. So friends, you can see the app to my emulator and you can see this is a beautiful animations. So you can create this type of animations by using any icons like Wi-Fi icon or some another icons. So friends, I hope you must enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your those friends who want to learn Android apps development. And finally, thanks for watching.